Today I'm going to work on my Volkswagen Westphalia. It's an 82 air-cooled, but with a conversion to Subaru water-cooled power. Right now let me show you what the problem is that I'm trying to fix today. This tire has completely blown out. There are some aluminum Mercedes wheels that have been put on, and I have the last one, so I wanted to go ahead and get all of them on, and was having trouble. The only nut I cannot get is this one. You can see is thoroughly stripped out. I don't need the rim, and I was planning on replacing all the studs with longer studs anyway, because the aluminum rims are thicker and the nuts don't sit down far enough, so I want to take care of that too. Okay, since I don't have my angle grinder available, I'm going to try drilling, and these are the things I'm going to use. I've got a set of bits from Milwaukee. Hopefully it's got large enough. I'm going to go through multiple passes until I get the entire stud drilled out. Good Milwaukee drill. I've got extra battery, some gloves, vice grips, a hammer, and a center punch so I can get started right. Alright, so first things first, let's put a little mark here. Alright, that's enough. And then I'm going to get a drill bit that looks like it will be a good start. So we're in that deep now. It's just past where I need to be to get that nut out. So let's go up a little larger. This time I'll grab this. I don't care what size it is, just as long as it's a little bigger. We are that deep, which I would say is pretty good. You. Maybe a little slower. Getting there. Probably should have brought some cutting oil, but I didn't. So now we are pretty far in. And let's see. I think I'm going to go back. A little bit more of a pilot. Okay. So that puts me well past where the nut is. Sit down. It's kind of hard. This may be too big, but I'll give it a shot. Hoping I drilled out most of it, but let's just see. I'll take this chisel See what I can do. All right, maybe these vice grips. Oh, look, there it goes. Well, it's not exactly how I expected to do it, but it works. Taking this chisel right along the edge. Whatever works. There it goes. Yeah, it's mostly destroyed, so that's why it's working. There we go. And that stud is mostly gone, so it won't be a problem anymore. Now, that's pretty much what it looks like now. Like I said, I'm going to be replacing this stud anyway, so this was not a problem. So a drill, a chisel, a hammer, and some time, and you can get it out. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and it keeps me motivated for making more of these videos. I'm going inside because it's starting to rain. Have a great day. Bye.